I had this thought like being in India where outdoors is very new. Everyone is exploring places, everyone is exploring activities. You find very strong personality in and around. We try to see what everyone is doing. We get like influenced somewhere down the line. You get like insecure in many ways. Being very honest about it, there has been a drastic shift in terms of perspective.
We had lots of people. They don't know each other. कभी मिले ही नहीं. But there was one thing common. Psych.
Last time I was a complete beginner. I had come to Satan on my 3rd month since I started climbing. But then over the year I've learned a lot thanks to all my mentors. Compared to last year, this year CDI has mostly been teaching, helping other new beginners, teach them knots, to teach them how the system works. So in that way, it's drastically different from last CDI.
People are also inviting to come and bowl. This is your practice ground. I mean, and you learn it properly and then further on. So take this as like a development for your own skill and that you can help other communities all over India also. Because every time we might not be together, we might be scattered here and there.
1, 2, 3, haul. Lifter ko uthai rakho. Okay, that's it. Done.
Good morning once again. So first of all, I'm just gonna start talking a little bit about the morning. So those people know who they are. Thank you for being on time. Everyone's had breakfast, right? Great. We're gonna start from here. You've seen Mangal Bhaiya loading the things. Now we're all ready. Our bags are out here also. We're gonna start hiking from here all the way till Jobri.
अभी हमें जोबरी, शायद जोबरी है ना ये?
वो लेफ्ट वाला, वो ड्रोन शॉट है। बंद आ जाने वाला।
और बस थोड़ा आगे जाना है।
Plus 20. अभी जो ये फिक्स हुए नहीं बस
चार कॉम, एक चार्जर,
दो चार्जर,
4 कॉम, 2 चार्जर, 2 बैटरी और 1 चार्जर। पता नहीं हमारे टेंट में क्या खजाना है।
हमारा भी तो
बता जरा,
क्या छुपा है?
बल्लू बता इनको अपने पास क्या क्या खजाना है।
Damn, bro. It's day 2, and if you can see over there, there's a wall which we have named as Big Flap. So yesterday we were able to put one of the anchor, find the line, either make it as a multi-pitch or a single pitch, and to form one more anchor towards the left of the wall. Let's see how it goes.
Oh, you're really struggling to get the bolts in because of the overhang. But Yash did a massive effort and finally finished bolting all 3-4 bolts on scouting for the line. So I hope I get to send the line. So.
Finally, the route is open. We fixed the line yesterday and we bolted it today, or it's ready for everyone to climb. I learned a lot. I always had to get off the rope, redirect it, come back on.
So we got a fixed line on this new route that we're trying to put up. And I'm gonna go and try the routes on top rope solo. I've already marked it while cleaning the route top down. So I'm just gonna go and see how the route is finally.
Pretty crazy. Saw some smileys and some agamas and played, what is that game called?
Ao Milo, Silo, Salo, Kacha, Dhaga, Race, Ao Milo,
Silo, Salo. एक rope पे कर दो, rope
Ao
पे.
Milo, Silo, Salo, Kacha, Dhaga, Race, लगा लो. आओ मिलो शिलो शालो कच्चा धागा रेस लगा लो 10 पत्ते तोड़े एक पत्ता कच्चा हिरन का बच्चा हिरन गया पानी में पकड़ा उसकी नानी ने नानी गई लंदन वहाँ से लड़का कंगन गई तो नानी गई रूट नानी को मनाएंगे रसमलाई खाएंगे रसमलाई अच्छी हमने खाई मच्छी. Best thing is when anyone has an idea, that too such a ambitious idea, you know, about getting climbers from all over the country and to go as a team and climb and develop a crack. It feels really big and also a little dreamy, which means may not become a reality. But the thing is, you know, it starts with an idea always. That's what I say. Even though we started in 2021, that time it looked like a really small project, and I am very sure a lot of people thought, I don't know what they're gonna do, may not be possible, how can this happen, or something, it's just a personal project. Some people might have thought like that, and although we are personally invested in it, we have always looked at it as a community development, and I see people looking at it now in third season as, oh my god, this is possible. They've been doing it regularly, so it is definitely possible. From a doubt, it has become a surety in people's eyes. It's great. I don't want to leave, but I have to. I'm so happy I just climbed. We completed more than 50% yesterday, and today morning we started a little late when Himanshu and he went back and finished bolting that line, which was the last 2 bolts left. I'm only a day late, so I thought I should leave, but he was urging me a little bit and he asked me to get on the climb. I did, sent it, so it turns out this is the first ascent. It's great.
लाइन का नाम सोचा?
रात की रानी नहीं होगी.
नहीं बोल रहा मैं, नहीं बोल रहा यार. नहीं.
पहला थॉट ये था कि हम लोगों ने अपने कोई क्रैक्स डेवलप नहीं किए, और हिमालयास तो इतना बड़ा प्लेग्राउंड है, हमारा उसमें कोई इनपुट ही नहीं है, मतलब हम जा ही नहीं रहे, मतलब दे आर देयर, बट हमारे पास उसकी प्रिपरेशन नहीं है, क्योंकि स्किल भी नहीं है ना, और कुछ तो लोग होने चाहिए ना, एक्सपीरियंस जो आएगा जनरेशन बाय जनरेशन, जनरेशन बाय जनरेशन, थोड़ा सा इंडिपेंडेंट बनेंगे.
I don't have much of outdoor time. So being amongst you guys who have so much of outdoor time, so many experiences, so just even hearing your experiences have inspired me to be more outdoors, to learn more skills, and yeah, the next time I come here with CDI, I'm gonna contribute more.
Organizers ने जो मेहनत करी,
Yeah, this is what I was looking for.
and they don't have any experience of doing any kind of event. Rock climbing को तो किसी को भी. In the beginning it was 12 days, then 10 days, और हमने तो 8 दिन में 10 रूट बोल्ट कर दी.
I was just excited. Like I didn't need any photos or any extra explanations. It was just like the remoteness.
We are close to the crack, so like ऐसे ही है कि just एक step पे तुम्हारा सारा adventure भी है, खाना भी सब ready मिलता है.
The view, the meadows, and that rush from inside, and that reality check.
And naturally, like, you are helping each other just to create a single route. Thinking about the imagination. Someone is like bolting the anchor, someone is like bolting the entire route.
जितना भी अचीव हुआ ना, इट वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ रियली ग्रेट टीम. वो फ्रीक्वेंसी सब मैच कर गई सबकी.
I think that is the wall we are going to, and we are about 1 kilometer away from that. There are a few more possibilities up on the left side. The access is possible, you just have to go through gullies,